we are going to make a repair to the bottom rail of our wood sash. You can see here it's weak. Now these bottom rails, they get a lot of abuse. You're always pulling on them, they get the weather. It's usually the spot where the window starts to fail first. So I'm going to do a repair to the bottom sash. And we're not going to rip the window apart. That is still strong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some 1/4-inch holes in the side rail into the bottom rail. And then I'm going to put some 1/4-inch oak dowel rods into the two rails. And once that dries, that will make this pretty strong. So I'm going to drill 3 holes in the side. And I'm avoiding that cut in the window where the brass strips go. That they put in a long time ago to try and make the windows energy efficient. So I'm staying away from that. So I probably should have had the window on its edge to fill it with glue. But for the sake of moving the camera and everything, I didn't do that. So I'm going to have to put some glue on the dowel rod to make sure we get enough glue in the hole. So when it dries, we have a strong bond there. So after all this, I think I have enough glue in the 1/4-inch hole. So we'll do the same thing on the other side of this to strengthen the other side. This is a quick repair. It'll last my lifetime. And we're not disassembling the entire window. Especially when only this bottom part is where we're having issues. So if I don't feel that the dowel rod is in the hole far enough, I can give that a tap with the hammer so it sits in that hole better. So I will twist in the dowel rod. Make sure we get glue over all the surfaces. Then I'll cut it with a saw, flush to the side rail. And you'll probably be surprised how strong this makes that bottom rail. It's definitely a good fix. If the bottom rail is in decent shape, which they usually are in okay shape, sometimes you're completely running away where this fix wouldn't work. But this one we got in time to make an easy repair. So I've done this kind of repair quite a few times on our bottom rails. We'll make sure those dowel rods are set into the holes. Now you can use this sort of repair generally on a lot of things. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Drill the holes. Do the same procedure. Once the glue dries, we can go ahead and center glass and put the putty in, all that stuff. But this is it. Easy to repair to your window sash. Bottom row.